Hey everyone, New England Gardening here on this Thursday, February 24th, 2022. And as you can see, the ground is bare, but not for long because we have a snowstorm coming tomorrow. I think it's supposed to be like between 4 and 12, something like that. But yeah, anywhere from 6 to 9 inches is the forecast. I just noticed my tree was tipped over there. It's hard to believe yesterday was, I think it got up to 68 degrees and the bees were flying. And yeah, the ground's been bare for a couple of days now, but yeah, I think it's going to be a heavy wet snow too, so not looking forward to it. So stay tuned, see what it looks like tomorrow. All right, everyone, so this is what I woke up to this morning. It's currently 6:47 a.m. on this Friday, February 25th, 2022. And yeah, I mean, I don't even think we've got, well, we might have 2 inches. I haven't seen what the latest forecast is. But it was supposed to have started around 4 a.m. and it's supposed to last till about maybe noontime, and then maybe some additional snow flurries on the back end for additional maybe inch or so of accumulation. But yeah, there's no wind, and it's very fine particulate, I guess you would call it, or fine grained snow. And slight, it's in the 20s, so it's a nice, light, fluffy snow. Granular, I guess is maybe the word that I was looking for. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wait till around noontime to get the snowblower started. But the the trucks are out plowing and sanding and salting, and yeah, the scraping of the blades on the roadway in the distance, and the backup beeping of the trucks. But nice and quiet though. So yeah, we went from 70 degrees, I heard, was the high in Boston, to 24, 26 degrees the next day. So stay tuned, see what the accumulation is going to be. Maybe they've backed off because they're supposed to, I mean, I guess it's getting kind of intense. They say it was supposed to be maybe an inch an hour at some periods of time. But yeah, maybe it is, as I'm speaking, starting to really, maybe it was delayed a little bit, came a little bit later than they originally forecast, and might then go later, or if it's a faster moving storm, still go out at the same time. Stay tuned, see what the totals are. Alright, so it's now 10 a.m. Now somebody's got a snowblower going already. And the time it took me to get the camera picked up again, there was a little bit of a lull. I was going to go look at the weather radar to see if it was already passing, but it was just a temporary lull in the snow. Looks like we might have gotten, I don't know, 6 inches already, by what I'm looking at on the top of the beehive there. So yeah, it's still coming down. What is that sound? But yeah, looks like the roads are pretty slippery out there. But that's what it looks like so far. Not looking forward to getting out there. Alright, so it's 10 past 11, and I looked at the radar and it's quickly moving, and it's clearing out west of 495, so maybe a half hour or an hour. I thought I just heard some sleet hitting the windows, and it's hovering around 31 degrees, so I'm going to get out there and start tackling this. Yeah, it looks like, I don't know, I think we got over 6 inches based on what's on top of those beehives again. Yeah, no wind. Just nice snow. Not even that heavy or intense. Just consistent. So let's get out there. Alright, so I cut a path here with the shovel, but let's see what we have here. Huh. Maybe a little bit, just a little bit over 6 inches. See if we can zoom in there. Yeah, so when all is said and done, maybe 6.5 inches, and it is getting like a wet snow. I think we had that 70-degree day, so the ground absorbed a lot of that heat, I guess, and it's because it's 31. The asphalt's still warm and it's wet underneath, so as soon as you clear the snow, it sort of melts. So let me get the, yeah, if you can see there. Oh, I think it just brightened up a little bit. I think the clouds are thinning out. So that's what the landscape looks like today. Big difference from Wednesday. So let me get the snowblower started, hopefully. Well, everyone, it's been a long day. Finished shoveling. I'm feeling a little frosty, so I think I'm going in. This is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.